Hey guys, so today we're gonna make this pretty giant Pavlova. So Pavlova is a meringue based dessert that topped with assorted fruits and a whipped cream. So it's very easy also to make this kind of dessert, guys, and it's very tasty. So let's get started. First, we whisk 72 grams of white eggs. Using the hand mixer, we whisk this until we reach the soft fix. So the meringue must be room temperature, and then gradually we add the custard sugar. So as this recipe, we use the custard sugar. I'm using 144 grams for this recipe, double of the white eggs. So continue whisking until our sugar will added, and then on the other hand we mix the 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract and 1 teaspoon of vinegar and 1 teaspoon of corn flour. Stir together to combine, and then we add this to our meringue to stabilize the meringue when we are baking. So slowly add to our meringue and continue whisking until we reach the soft or stiff peak or the glossy stage of the meringue. So just like this, the consistency is just like this, stiff peak and glossy. And then I have a template here to guide when we are put the meringue to the baking paper. So slowly add the meringue, and then all around the circle of our templates, and then just make it together just like a form of mountain or the cloud mountain, just like this. We follow the guides of on the baking paper, and using the palette knife we make the design for our Pavlova, just like this. And then we will bake this at 130 degrees for 10 minutes, and after that reduce the temperature at 100 degrees for 80 to 90 minutes. And then the Pavlova is done, just like this. Very beautiful Pavlova. And then after that, let it cool down, and for a while we mix the 100 grams of whipping cream and 2 tablespoons of condensed milk whipped together, and then later we will put on the top of our Pavlova, just like this. We just put on the top of our Pavlova, sprinkle around the top of a Pavlova, and then after that we decorate with our assorted fruits. At this Pavlova, I'm using strawberry, green grapes, and blueberries. So just like this, very pretty, right? So after that, we decorate with the fondant flowers, and let's go. Our Pavlova is ready. So let's eat. So it's very tasty, this guys. So here we go. Pavlova is ready to serve. So let's enjoy this. Don't forget to follow me, guys. Bye.